Oh, man.
Mark on his Marlin. Camera's rolling.
Good God! Scott, get up there, look over the edge. Take pictures as fast as you can.
I'm taking a video.
Y'all got the bird bag or the lure bag?
Holy God, Kenny.
That's a big one.
600?
No, I wouldn't call him 6, I'd call him 5. I'd call him every bit of 5.
Mark, get up there, look at your fish, bud.
Well,
oh, no, you chair.
Randy, let him get out of the chair.
Somebody substitute. Somebody get out there. Get the rod, somebody so he can get up and see your fish.
Holy cow.
Think you can get that hook?
No. It's wrapped all the way around his bill.
No, I'm coming down.
See it?
Looks like we're doing.
I have to take